Hey. Hey girl, hey. Hi lovelies. How's it going? Happy 2019. It's already, yay, 2019. So I am on my way to get ready for this show tonight, Dragula New Year at the Balcony Club here in Boise, Idaho. Brought to us by Five Senses Reeling. I love them. I love working with them. They're amazing. They are bringing James Majesty, Ursula Major, and Frankie Doom to the Balcony Club tonight, and they are performing with our local queens of Vice, Squiggly Bones, and Antidepressant. The one of the two winners of Boise's Next Drag Superstar Season 2, which we're about to start Season 3, which I will be doing interviews with two individuals tonight that will have their videos posted later on this week. Alright, so anyways, with my makeup, tonight I'm going to do the Interstellar Blackheart palette. I'm going to use this palette mainly, and my Wet n Wild Easter paint colors, and some black, lots of black, because I'm doing a goth kind of fun Dragula look tonight. So anyways, see you guys on the flip side. Any questions? Put them in the comment below. Subscribe, hit the notifications, and look for new videos every Sunday. Yay! All right, here we go. Okay, total change of plan. Instead of the Interstellar palette from Blackheart, I'm going to use the Darkside of the Moon palette from Blackheart, because I'm just feeling these colors a little bit more. So just as an FYI of what I'm going for here, I laid out my base, my primer. Now I'm going to go in with Rising Sun here, and we're going to lay that out first we're going to go in with Dawn. We're going to highlight. Then we're going to go in with Rising Sun. Where's that? Rising Sun. Rising Sun. So Dawn, Rising Sun, and then from Rising Sun, we're going to go to Blue Moon, even though it's not blue. I love it. All right, here we go. Alright, so now that we've got that all done, I'm going to go ahead and start the foundation process and then finish up with some crystal rhinestones, and I should be good to go. girlies, and there you have it. That's what I got for you, honeys. Well, all right, I'm all shabazzled, shabangled up and running on drag time like normal, you know. So I'm on my way to the Dragula New Year's show at the balcony, and I will see you guys from there.